What's going on? Average Tech Guy here, and here we go. Galaxy Z Fold 5 in hand, and we're about to take it out of the box. So let's do it. So when it comes to my unboxing experience, I don't, get into all the muss and fuss. I just like to go ahead and get this stuff unboxed. So you can see from the cover that I chose one of the special edition, kind of like I typically do. This is it. Moment, big reveal. Here we go. Hold up, I don't want to tear this up, so I want to do it the right way. Premium unboxing experience. No fingerprints yet. Cold to the touch. Sit that down. And this is what we got. Beautiful gray back. Sleek black bezels. Black around the camera. That is a nice looking device. I don't like stickers on my stuff, so boom, there we go. Sticker is off. And that is what you get. Let's go ahead and fold this puppy over. Ooh, look at that hinge. Matte gray finish on that hinge. No fingerprints, I love it. And then we got the Samsung logo right there. I like it. Okay. Definitely heavier on the 4. All right, so, and matter of fact, since, let's see, what else? Where's everything else? I almost forgot what was in the box. All right, I'm all excited. Okay, here we go. What else is in here? Of course, a USB Type-C to C charging cable, your quick start guide, and SIM eject tool, because I'm about to swap this bad boy over right now. Pixel Fold is on the shelf and we are gonna be using this, but I still can't get over the feel of it. Minimal to no, there is a very slight gap in between there, but minimal to no gap. I can see just a little bit of the table on the other side. Let me grab that scale. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Now, the 4, 9.7 ounces. The 5, 9.1 ounces. So still in the 9-ounce range, but we do get a little bit of a lighter device. But I like that color. No fingerprints on that, no fingerprints on this matte finish. You really can't beat it. Placement, it's still the same phone. We gotta talk about it. I wish it would come on. Come on. It must be completely dead. So, since my device is completely, oh, there we go. Finally vibrated, it's coming on. Okay. I'm 100%, I'm gonna tell you, I'm always 100% honest with y'all all the time. It's lighter, form factor feels better in my hand. I can't wait to try on some of these cases. We gotta get it turned on. We gotta get it started up. I gotta get all my information in here, but this is just a quick unboxing of the gray Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. More to come on this a little bit later on. So until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.